So this is Lola, our fawn pug, our fur baby. So siya yung bunso as of the moment. Kakatapos lang niya kumain ng dinner. And of course, after nila kumain, lagi natin lilinisan yung face nila and yung body nila. Kasi na-stuck yung amoy ng dog food nila dito. So kaya nagiging maasim. And nagli-lead kasi siya ng irritation. Kaya nagkakamot sila. So nasusugatan yung face nila. So let's clean it with wipes. So this is what we are using, the Unilove baby wipes. So it has 80 pieces plus 20 free. So total of 100 unscented. So merong deal nito, 3 na unscented and then 3 na scented, yung color orange. So this is really a good deal kasi nga makapal siya, no? So let's try it out. Kasi we tried other baby wipes before. Ayun, medyo yung one piece niya is parang sa face lang. Ito kasi kaya na rin sa paa nila, sa legs. Yan. So medyo makapal siya. Yan, alam niyo na, nalilinisan siya. So you can see here. Yan, makapal yan. So this is Unilove. So this is what we are buying all the time para sa kanila. So talagang pang clean lang sa kanila yan. So let's start sa face. Pati yung ears nila nililinisan natin. Kasi exposed yan so tendency nagkakadumi. So sa ating mga fur parents, we really recommend this Unilove baby wipes. Unscented and scented. Yan. So gustong gusto nila. We have to clean this one. Kasi katabi namin matulog to palagi. Yan. So if you're looking for the best baby wipes for your fur babies, we recommend this one.